So here's some old hydraulic line, 3/4 inch hydraulic line. I'm gonna build myself a little rack. I've got 2 loops built. I'm gonna weld them together, weld them apart. I'm gonna make it to hold this action packer. So we're gonna clean them up, do a little sanding, clean off the paint. Then we'll build some loops and build a little cage. Then we'll build a rack to put it on the back of the Teryx. Stay tuned. So I'm going to work away at this and get her all cleaned up. I got 2 loops like this to do, and got a couple straight pieces I'm going to make some cross members with. So I'm going to keep working away at this. You don't need to watch all this, and I'll talk to you later. All right, so I've got the tubing all cleaned up. Now I'm going to do a little bit of welding on it and tie them all together. All right, so I got the bottom one welded up. I gotta go and rescue somebody. Give me a hand. So I'm gonna let this one cool down, and the top ring will fit on like so, like that. So there'd be my box. I'm not sure quite yet what I'm going to put on the bottom. I think I know what I'm going to put on the bottom. And I'm not sure if I'm going to fill these in. Might leave it open. So that's it for now. Alright, here's my next mod for the buggy. It's that rack I've been building. Got her all done. I'm going to install it here. Probably have to take the back seats out. If that's okay, we'll handle that one hole at a time. So let's get you set up. All right, so we got some room in our trunk now, and we got these nifty little seats. They don't take a whole lot of room. I think they're about 2.5 inches thick, 10 inches in diameter. And when you want to bring them out, give them a lock, and they will lock at different heights. Put it down, have a seat. Awesome out on the trail. Don't take up a lot of room. I'll leave a description in the comments for you to find them in Amazon. And if you buy them through that link, you'll help me out. It doesn't cost you any extra. Awesome. All right, we got the rack installed. Moved all the non-essential stuff that was in the trunk, taking up space, into the axle packer up there. The axle packer is still easy to get at, so if we need it, it's there. Plenty more room in the trunk, as you've seen, so that's going to make it quite a benefit, I believe. And so I'm quite happy with how it turned out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It certainly helps the channel out. If you like the content, please subscribe. And until the next video, ride safe.